This is the Daily Note. I'm James A. Brown. Half of teenagers believe that journalists make up quotes. The News Literacy Project surveyed more than 700 of them. And when they were asked to describe the news media in one word, 19% said inaccurate or deceptive. Now, I get where they're coming from. These kids grew up when it was nearly impossible to pretend that news anchors were different than pundits. They see reporters' opinions on social media constantly, and they watch the internet reward them for their slants. Objectivity barely existed for these kids. I think they're seeing our media clearer and more skewed than my generation did. And I'm not sure which one worries me more. Do you trust news? And why do you think these kids don't? Let me know on jamesabrown.net. On that note, I'm James A. Brown, and as always,